Hi, my name is Jennifer Manley, and I am a middle school computer science and robotics teacher based in Anne Arundel County, Maryland, which is about 20 minutes outside of Baltimore. I want to take a second and talk about group work. Now, if you're a teacher, the way that you've been trained to facilitate group work is that we put kids in groups of 3 to 5, and we assign every child a role for a particular project. One child is the materials manager, another is the recorder, another might be leader. You get the idea. And the idea is that because every child has a role, if every child does their role with the specified responsibilities, the group project works. Now the reality is that it doesn't happen like that. There's always at least one kid who doesn't do anything, and the rest of the group kind of hustles and gets it done in order to still get a pretty decent grade and never lets the teacher know, although the teacher always knows. Or there's one kid who does everything and just slaps everybody else's names on it. But the bigger problem with group work is that that's not actually how groups work in the real world. In the real world, we value team players who can go outside and above their scope of responsibilities in order to get the job done. We value people who put the needs of the client, who put the needs of the company or the needs of the product above themselves, and who are willing to step up and do what needs to get done in order to deliver the product. And so last summer, I met with some software engineers, and my goal was to find a way to give kids authentic learning experiences within the scope of group work. Because even though group work is terrible, we still should do it. Because when we allow kids time to work in groups, they learn really important collaboration skills, but they also get more stuff done when it's done right. So what we ended up doing is we took Agile, which is a technique that's used in startups and software firms all over the world, and we developed a version of Agile for 11 to 14-year-olds. I would love to come to South by Southwest and share how I use Agile in my classroom to empower my students to tackle real-world problems and give them authentic learning experiences, and how you can use it in your classroom and in your school to give kids the opportunity to do work that matters. Our kids deserve meaningful learning experiences, and I believe that Agile is the way to do that. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to pitch. Make sure that you read through my abstract, and hopefully I'll see you in Austin next March. Thanks.